What's up guys, Charles here. One of the latest releases is based on the flagship Radeon 3 desktop model. At this point, one would expect leaks on Radeon RX 8900 XTX graphics cards, but XFX seems to be aware of the high-end Radeon 4 cancellation plans. Their latest Phoenix Nirvana graphics card might show us what the next-gen GPU was meant to use. The card is equipped with a brand new cooler design, and it sports a new color scheme. Phoenix Nirvana is a quad-slot and triple-fan design featuring dimensions of 13.54 to 5.04. It sports a red and black color scheme and features an entirely new design, starting with brand new modular fans, which are patented. An interesting feature is that they are attached by magnets. The cooler, called Fingerling Cooling Architecture 4.0, uses 216 ultra-thin matrix fins and a high-low fin structure to improve airflow. Underneath, there is a vapor chamber covering the GPU and memory, as well as a Honeywell PTM 7950 phase-changing thermal pad known for high thermal conductivity. The card features an all-aluminum die-cast backplate. As already mentioned, the card is now offered for pre-order in China through the official XFX store. It seems the company did not even announce this product for the global market, hence it's possibly a region-restricted release. Those who want to buy should be ready to pay 7,899 RMB, $1,090 but may receive up to a 200 RMB discount for early pre-orders. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.